Hi guys, I am Soman Shankara. Today we are going to see the topic of drones. I am from Sri Easwar College of Engineering Technology, branch ECE. Let's let's start. What is a drone? Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles have grown in popularity among hobbyists for commercial use alike. They are also being used in law enforcement for surveillance, in farming for agricultural maintenance, monitoring of poaching of wildlife in Africa, and for acquiring specialist movie and sport event footage. There are also reports of the technology being used for nefarious purposes such as physical assaults, intrusions into protected places such as the UK Parliament, the royal residence, the White House, prisons, and to interfere with civil aviation. Given the increased popularity of drones, including the use of nefarious purpose, there is an increasing requirement for the forensic analysis of this device. Each drone manufacturer has their own design philosophy and architecture. Here are some pictures of drone: the model TREX 700E, DJI Matrices 600, Air Robot AR 100B, ASC Tech Falcon 8. Let's see from the history of drones. The first pilotless vehicles were developed in Britain and the US during the First World War. Britain's aerial target, a small radio-controlled aircraft, was tested in March 1907, while the American aerial torpedo known as the Ketteringburg first flew in October 1918. Although both showed promise in flighting tests, neither were used operationally during the war. During the interwar period, the development and testing of unmanned aircraft continued in 1935. The British produced a number of radio controlled aircraft to be used as target for training purposes. It is thought the term drone started to be used at this time, inspired by the name of one of these models, the DH-8-2B Queen Bee. Radio controlled drones were also manufactured in the United States and used for testing, practice, and training. Recognized UAV were the first deployed on a large scale in the Vietnam War. Drones also began to be used in range of new roles such as acting as decoys in combat, launching missiles against fixed targets, and dropping leaflets or for psychological operations. Let's see the pictures of drones used in World War II. The first picture is used by the British. Second picture was used in Vietnam War. Let's see the power, voltage, and power rating of drones. The power. This demo flight was made using drone with average power consumption of 200 to 300 watt standard DJI F550 model and peak consumption up to 450 watts, and it was powered completely wirelessly. Voltage. The voltage ranges from 3 volts on the low and end to 4.2 volts at the top of the charge with a normal voltage of 3.7 volts. Power rating of drones. A small electrical UAV typically needs around 20 to 200 watts kg to fly. For example, an electrical UAV with 5 mm of wingspan can need a power of 100 watts for a takeoff weight of 4.5 kg. A value of 200 to 300 watts per kilogram is suited to heavier or high performance UAVs growing to 1.5 kilovolt for 300 kg TOW. Here is the picture block diagram of drones. First, it is connected by camera and gimbal by USB, Raspberry Pi by and LiDAR light. At the center, it is connected with flight controller, the RC receiver, and the RF transmitter that transmits signals. And here the PWM is connected with ESC at BLDC motor. Here is the second picture. We can see the wiring diagram of QAV R200 quadcopter racing drone. Let's see the pros and cons of drones. Pros of drone. To properly weigh the pros and cons of the drones and their use, it's important to examine both sides of the debate on their own merits. For instance, plenty of reason exists to support the use of drone. Quality aerial imaging. Drones are excellent for taking high quality aerial photographs and videos and collecting vast amounts of imaging data. These high resolution images can be used to create 3D maps and interactive 3D models which have many beneficial use. For example, 3D mapping of disaster area can enable rescue teams to be better prepared before entering hazardous situation. Precision. Since unmanned aerial vehicle use GPS, the global positioning system, they can be programmed and maneuvered accurately to the precise location. This is especially helpful in a variety of situations in precision agriculture. For example, UAVs are used for variety of farming needs such as spraying fertilizer and insecticide, identifying weed infestations and monitoring crop health. The version of UAV saves farmer both the time and cost, is easily deployable. With advances in control technology, most drones can be deployed and operated with a relatively minimal experience. Combined with the relatively low cost of most models, drones are becoming accessible to a wide range of operators. UAV also have a great range of movement with manned aircraft. Cons of drone. While there are a number of pros to the use in drones, there are also several perceived challenges to their deployment. These concerns are important to consider, particularly given the wide range of circumstances in which drones can be used. First, legislative uncertainty. Since the widespread use of unmanned aerial vehicles is relatively new, legislation is still catching up. The Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) has established certain rules for small unmanned aircraft that apply to commercial and recreational use. But there are still ambiguities. Questions include how best to determine airspace property rights and protect land rovers from aerial trespassing. Safety. Safety is a prime concern when dealing with unmanned aerial vehicles. To avoid mid-air collisions, UAV must be programmed with sense and avoid capabilities that match those of manned aircraft. Protecting animals. Poaching is devastating endangered wildlife population across the globe. Conservation groups have been working for decades to protect these animals by migrating them into protected land like animal sanctuaries and natural parks. Yet many poachers still trespass into these parks and kill the animals. War reporting. War zones are extremely dangerous, and war journalists would normally need to risk their lives to record events as they unfold. Using drone journalists can record the destruction of war without compromising their own safety. Measuring weather. To create accurate weather forecast, meteorologists must measure weather data from diverse set of sensors that are usually affixed to satellites or surface equipment. These tools collect data that can be used to predict common weather changes like precipitation or even violent storms like tornadoes. Thank you.